Hello friends, this is from On the Way. Today we have taken a problem from linked list. Here what is the question given is, this is very famous question asked the most in the interviews. So the question given is, there is given a linked list and we have to find whether there is any cycle present, there is any loop present in it. You can read the question all. There is a various method, but there is a very famous method and easy method, Floyd cycle detection method. For this method, let first we have taken a list node pointer. Let's name it is slow. That will point to head, and we will take another list node pointer. Will point to again the head. So what we will do? We will take while first is not equal to null, and for the sake of not showing any runtime error, we have taken first and next also is not null. What we will do in this method, Floyd cycle detection method, we will increase the first pointer 2 steps, and at the same time we will increase the slow pointer 1 times. So by this we will take increase first equal to first, next, and slow equal to slow next. We will increase in it into 1 steps. So what we will check, how we will check whether there is any loop or not. If there is not any loop, we will increase the slow pointer 1 step and first pointer 2 step. By this way, they will never meet, because if you will increase it in 1 step and first pointer 2 step, there is no chance of meeting it, because it will be if linear. But it will, if it is circle present within it, then there will be meet of first and slow pointer. So if slow equal to first, what we will return? We will return there is loop present, return true, or else we will return false. Okay, let's run the code. Yeah, it is being accepted. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is submitted with 84.37 accuracy bit. So if you will see what is the time complexity and space complexity of this code, we have taken first in this while loop, we have taken first pointer. So what will be time complexity? It will be the length of the linked list. That will be like big O(n). And what will be space complexity? As we have not taken any extra space, so it will be big O(1), constant space complexity. So let's see guys in next question. Until then, take care.